One of the new features for Axiom version 19 is the ability to adjust scales on the fly. Previously, I could click on a scale and then I could choose to link it. And that was version 18 features. And I can still do that here in version 19. I can also release it by clicking and breaking the icon. But now if I click, I have another option. I can grab that and drag it and align it manually. As well as, if I wanted to, I could come to either the top edge or the bottom edge and drag and expand, or if I needed to, contract the banding. Notice that as I've done this, I've picked up an icon in my title bar called Auto Band. And when I click on that, it undoes the previous changes and goes back to an auto band mode. A final feature to show here would be a scaling feature. I can now right click and I have the option to adjust my scales on the fly. So I can hold this at 0 and perhaps change my max to 80. Notice that the change is already updated. Last thing to note when it comes to the banding, I do have an option under my hamburger menu under chart options where I can now put a auto band padding, and that would be the small space between the bands. And so if I wanted to put quite a large separation, I could do, say, 20 pixels, and you can now see the large space between the bands. If you have any questions, email us, info@canarylabs.com.